Yo, in the city where the kings once ruled, Hammurabi brought the code, yet he kept it cool. Every 50 years, man, it's like a brand new start. Debt forgiven, land returned, that was an art. In the shadows of the past, the peasants cry. The Sablés, man, they open their eyes. Salons falling, actors with a heavy sound, shaking off the burdens, lost and found. Celebrate the Jubilee, let the debts be free. Breaking chains, ancient pains, that's the decree. With every year, man, we put in work, restoring hope, man, it's ain't the work. This life's a circle, cycles never end. In every coin, my friend, there's a chance to mend. Ancestors put the struggle and strife, teaching us the value of freedom in life. The land's alive with stories untold. From Babylon to Israel, the truth unfolds. Beneath the weight of history, we rise again. Find peace and justice, we learn how to bend. Celebrate the Jubilee, let the debts be free. Breaking chains, ancient pains, that's the decree. With every year, man, we put in work, restoring hope, man, this ain't a work.
In there was a time we can hear the sound of ancient words rising from underground.
So let it flow, let it be known, Jubilee spirit, we're not alone. Celebrate the Jubilee, let the debts be free. Breaking chains, ancient pains, that's the decree. With every year, man, we put in work, restoring hope, man, this ain't no work.